Faith. Faith, or a strong conviction in a higher force or religious system, can offer a variety of physiological and psychological benefits. While the specific benefits vary depending on the individual and the nature of their faith, the following are some general advantages. Stress reduction. Faith can help people manage with stress by giving them a feeling of meaning, purpose, and connection to something bigger than themselves. This sense of spiritual support might assist to relieve anxiety and concern. Positive emotions such as optimism, appreciation, and forgiveness can be enhanced by a strong faith. Positive emotions are linked to improved mental health and overall well-being. Being a part of a faith community can give individuals with social support as well as a sense of belonging. This assistance can be invaluable during difficult times and can help to mitigate the detrimental consequences of stress and isolation. Physical health benefits. Studies have indicated that those who have strong religious beliefs have superior physical health outcomes, such as decreased rates of hypertension, greater immune function, and increased longevity. These advantages could be attributed in part to healthier lives, social support, and improved coping skills linked with faith. Better coping mechanisms. Faith can equip people with the tools and resources they need to deal with life's hardships. During tough times, prayer, meditation, and reliance on a higher force can give peace and reassurance. Individuals with great faith may be more suited to recover from adversity and retain an optimistic outlook in the face of adversity. This resilience might be ascribed to their spiritual beliefs, which provide them with a strong sense of meaning, purpose, and optimism. Depression and anxiety are reduced. Numerous studies have indicated that those who are religious or spiritual have lower rates of depression and anxiety. This could be because faith provides emotional support, coping techniques, and a feeling of purpose. It is crucial to note that the nature of these benefits varies based on the individual's personal beliefs and practices, as well as the character of their spiritual group. Furthermore, depending on their specific circumstances and experiences, some people may not experience these benefits or may even experience negative impacts from their beliefs.